Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to be doing our mathematics lesson. We are doing number symbols and names. It says, provide the number symbols for the following numbers. Let's read the numbers. 35, 97, 148. We need to provide symbols for these number names. So as you can see here, boys and girls, I have wrote the number 35, which is 3 and 5. I have wrote the number 97, which is 9 and 7. I have wrote the number 148, which is 1, 4, 8. Now it says provide the number names for the following numbers. So we have 55, 25, and 15. Remember, we need to write the number names for these numbers. This is how you write the number names for the following numbers. 55 is F-I-F-T-Y and 5 is F-I-V-E. 25, which is 20 and 5. We write it as T-W-E-N-T-Y and F-I-V-E. 15 is F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Now we will be ordering numbers. It says ordering numbers from smallest to biggest. Let's read the set of numbers. A. 16, 30, 13, 28, and 41. Remember, we are ordering from smallest to biggest. So our smallest number here is 13. As you can see, I have scratched out 13 and I wrote it at the bottom. Our second number will be 16. I have scratched out 16 and I wrote it at the bottom. The third number will be 28. I have scratched out 28 and I wrote it at the bottom. Now we have two numbers left, which is 30 and 41. So 30 is smaller than 41. As you can see, I have scratched out 30 and I wrote it at the bottom. 41 was the last number that was left. So now I have scratched out 41 and I wrote it at the bottom. Now let's read the numbers from smallest to biggest. 13, 16, 28, 30, and 41. Now we are ordering numbers from biggest to smallest. A. 60, 28, 52, 33, and 20. So boys and girls, our biggest number here is 60. As you can see, I have scratched out 60 and I wrote it at the bottom. The next number is 52. I have scratched out 52 and I wrote it at the bottom. The third number is 33. As you can see, I have scratched out 33 and I wrote it at the bottom. Now we have two numbers left, which is 28 and 20. 28 is bigger than 20, so I have scratched out 28 and I wrote it at the bottom. Our last number that was left was 20, so I have scratched out 20 and I wrote it at the bottom. Now let us read the numbers from biggest to smallest. 60, 52, 33, 28, and 20. Now we will be doing place value. It says decompose the following numbers into tens and units. Which two numbers make up 55? Thereafter, we need to break it down further into tens and units. So when we break up 55, we will get 50 plus 5, which makes 55. And when we break it down further into tens and units, we will get 5 tens and 5 units. Now we will be doing addition, subtraction, and multiplication. It says work out the following. Number 1, 20 plus 22. Number 2, 33 minus 20. And number 3, 7 times 2. So boys and girls, as you can see, I have done my workings here for number 1. Let us go through it. 20 plus 22 is equal to 42. How did I get that answer? So, in 20 I have 2 tens and 0 units. Then, in 22 I have 2 tens and 2 units. So now let's get our 2 tens for 20. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have my 2 tens in 20. Then for 22, I have 2 tens and 2 units. So let's count the 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have my 2 tens in 22. And the 2 units at the bottom, which is the 2 circles at the end. So now if we count it all together, it's 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 tens, and at the bottom the 2 circles is 2 units. So we have 42. And that will be our final answer. Number 2. As you can see, I have done my workings in this block. Let's go through it. 33 minus 20 is equal to 13. Let's see how I have arrived at my answer. So I drew 33 circles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. And now I will have to take away 20. So let's see how many circles I have taken out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we will have to see what is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 circles was not scratched out. So this means 13 was left. So my answer will be 13. 7 times 2. So here, boys and girls, in this block, you can see that I have done my workings. Let's go through it. So I have drawn 7 circles 2 times. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I drew another set of 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 2 sets of 7, which makes, let's count it all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 times 2 is 14. Now we're going to be doing word problems. Repeated addition leading to multiplication. It says 1 sack has 2 fruits. How many fruits do 6 sacks have? So firstly, we need to put the fruits in each sack to see how many fruits we have altogether. Then at the bottom, it says that we need to multiply. So we will have to say 6 times 2 because there is 6 sacks and 2 fruits in each sack. Then the sum will say 6 sacks have, and you will need to find out how many fruits to write the answer. So here, boys and girls, I have done the working. Let's go through them. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we have 2 fruits in each sack and we have 6 sacks. So let's count in twos to get our answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So the answer is 12. Now at the bottom, we have to say 2 times 6, which is equal to 12 fruits. The reason why we put 2 is because we have 2 fruits in each sack. And there we say times 6 because we have 6 sacks altogether. So we can say 6 sacks have 12 fruits. Now we will be doing our word problems for grouping and sharing. It says, Sam has 17 pears. She packs these pears in boxes. She packs 3 in each box. How many boxes of 3 pears each can she pack? In other words, make groups of 3 with 17 pears. So as you can see, we have our 17 pears. Thereafter it says Sam can pack how many boxes of pears and how many are left over. So now, boys and girls, as you can see, I have done my workings. So we need to group them into threes to see how many packs we can make and how many are left over. So here you could see I grouped my pears in threes. So let's count the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 groups or 5 packs. And how many are left over? There is 2 left over. So we can say Sam can pack 5 boxes of pears and 2 are left over. Now we will be doing measurement, days of the week. It says which day comes next. Let's read. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We need to find out which day will come next. The next one. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And the last one, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now I have put in the answers for you to see. So let us read this again. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So the next day will be Friday. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the next day will be Monday. The last one, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the next day will be Thursday. Now we will be doing measurement, months of the year. It says, show the last month and the next month. So here we have the last month column, this month column, and the next month column. So we have this month, which is March, September, and June. We need to find the last month and the next month for all these months. So here, boys and girls, as you can see, the last month before March is February, and the next month after March is April. The last month before September is August, and the next month after September is October. The last month before June is May, and the next month after June is July. Now we are going to be doing time. So we have 2 blocks. It says 11 o'clock. So my first block is blank. Now we need to see how we will fill in 11 o'clock on the second block. So as you can see, 11 o'clock, the small needle or the hour needle is pointing at 11. And the long needle, which is the minute needle, is pointing at 12. And that is how we write 11 o'clock. Now we will be doing half hours. It says 2:30. So in the first block, the clock is blank. Now we need to see how we will write 2:30. As you can see in the second block, I have my 2 needles. So the small needle, which is the hour hand, is pointing at 2. And my long needle, which is the minute hand, is pointing at 6. So that is how we write 2:30. Now we have come to the end of our lesson, boys and girls. Please do not forget to complete all your mathematics activities in your work pack.